Hi all, it's Nick Morell from Nick Morell Abstracts here, and I've just finished. I just thought I'd show you this one quickly. It's a 24-inch by 48-inch, a large canvas, some Carnival colours again. Someone's wanted this one. I won't do the tutorial, you've seen the tutorial done. Just thought I'd run you past this one. It's a very large piece. So just finished this, and some stunning colours. And the colours we use today, I'll show you, of the Mars Black PBO, high velocity, number 26. The background is all in this. So I've got in the background first, you've seen it in the tutorials. So it's a large piece, this. So the colours we used, obviously, the blues you can see here, and that's the Deco Arts Sapphire Extreme Sheen. Really good blue, that natural sells up, that one. I've gone for the Diner, the violet blue, and that's here, coming through here. Again, it's a mix of violet and blue. The Diner. That's the 356. That's stunning colours, that one. We've got the 359. So it's a green-yellow mix. It's a Diner, high velocity. And you can see that coming through here. Again, no oils in any of these at all. I just go for a slightly looser mix, and you get some natural lacing, selling by just achieving that slightly with the swipes, the reflection swipes. I just do that. And then we've got with the red, it's like a blood red really. It's a really favourite one of mine. It's a 5.3, and that's a Candyman red, high velocity again. The Peebo range, all Peebo range. That's the red there coming through there. And again, I've gone there with the Sapphire, the Deco Arts, and then the blues I tend to like, which is Ultramarine, and that's the Galleria. Again, that's the Ultramarine, and again a real electric blue, you'll see there. And then the golds, you've seen me use this a lot. It's the Peebo again, it's the 352, and that's the iridescent gold. And again, you can see there, it laces up. It's a 50-50 mix with liquid pour medium. Just grab that for you. You've seen that before, but everything here is mixed with liquid pour medium on a 50-50 basis. A little bit of water to get the consistency you want. And again, I've gone with a 3/4, so it's going to sit this way on the wall. And again, I've just randomly repeated the colours here, and you can see there the lacing. And so I just achieved that by a 50-50 mix with liquid pour medium, slightly a bit more water. Everyone talks about the warm honey, so just slightly runnier than that. And then when you swipe, obviously you use the kitchen rolls, which you've seen me use before. So we use the kitchen roll to swipe and just wet the very bottom edge and swipe through. So you'll see this all in my tutorials, the other tutorials. I just wanted to show you this one quickly. Haven't done much lately. Obviously I hope you're all keeping safe in lockdown. Anyway, massive shout out to Catherine Osmore. Fantastic, generous lady. She knows what she's done for me. She really did help us out. So a beautiful lady, and that's Catherine Osmore. Check her art out on Cos Creations. Some stunning work. She is one talented lady, and look forward to meeting her once I get back over to Florida. And look forward to meeting her husband and buy them a meal. So again, that's 48 8 by 24, really large canvas. I've got this on a large table, make sure your levels are good. And there, just thought I'd just show you that rather than go through tutorials. And once this is dried up, it's going to be a high gloss finish the customers asked for, and it will be a high gloss Liquitex with 4 coats of that, which gives it a 4 thin coats. Again, there's a tutorial with that on my YouTube channel. That's Nick Moreau Abstracts, and that will give you like a resin finish with 4 thin coats. And obviously all of these, a lot of these are metallic colours, and it will really pop. So that's one of my Carnival colours again. Nice bright colours to cheer everyone up in these tough times. So keep safe, guys. Obviously do what the government says. We'll be back to work. Things are looking a bit brighter. I say, please subscribe, like my channel. I haven't been putting much on lately. Obviously I've been out of work, my shop, my salon. I've been not back at work for 10 weeks now. Hopefully getting back soon. Talking about the 4th of July. So I haven't really been able to buy much products. But say Catherine Osmore helped me out, which enabled me to do this one. So if you need any questions on these, please just reply on a YouTube comment. I will ask you or answer you any questions you need to help you out. But these are my Reflection Carnival colours, and so it's a very large one, this one. So I hope you like that one. So I've just done that early this morning. So okay, we'll leave it there. And so if you want to watch the actual whole tutorial on how to do these, you'll see them on my YouTube channel. There's a couple on there of different colours. But I just thought I'd touch base with you. Haven't done much lately. Been desperate to get back into the studio. And lucky enough this one's been ordered, so I'll try and get this one finished as quickly as possible. And say no silicone in any of this, but you'll see the lacing coming through. And as I've done before, once I've finished my swipes, I use a palette knife and I just lightly glide through, as you can see there. It's just what I do on mine. You don't have to do this. I tend to do it on all my swipes, a bit of my signature finish. It just breaks it up for me. Gives it a finish. So give that a go. And keep safe, guys. And hopefully there'll be lots more coming. And say please subscribe. That's Nick Moreau Abstracts. And say keep safe, guys. And we'll see you soon.